In this video, I'm going to show you how to add Google reviews to your GoDaddy website. Unfortunately, since GoDaddy doesn't support this functionality by default, what we need to do is use a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight website. Once you've clicked to the link, this is the page that you're going to see. From here, I want you to head over to the top of the page, which is where you will see this widgets button. Simply hover over it, and then underneath reviews right here, I want you to go about halfway down, which is where you will see Google reviews right here. As you can see, it's a bestseller. Click on that, and then this will take you to the Google Reviews widgets page. From here, I want you to click on this Create a Widget for Free button right here, and then that will take you down to the Google Reviews widget template section. So on the left hand side here, as you can see, you have a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. You have a carousel widget here, you have a badge, you have a simple carousel, a grid with a summary, floating badge, slider, and a bunch of different templates that you can choose from. And then on the right hand side here, you also get a little preview of what that template will look like on your GoDaddy website. Bear in mind that this is fully interactive right here, as you can see. And then you also have a mobile view right here. If you want to click on this, you'll be able to see what this particular template will look like if it was to be browsed through a mobile device. Bear in mind that none of these templates are final in terms of design. We can actually customize pretty much anything that you see on the screen right here, including the format, obviously, of the reviews. We can remove this button here. We can change the color of the button. We can change, obviously, remove the Google Reviews heading here if you wanted to. I'm going to show you how to do that in the next section. But for now, go ahead and select the template that works best for you, and then click on Continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Then you'll be taken to this page right here, which is where we now need to add the relevant source. That way, the widget's going to be able to display the relevant Google reviews. You have two different ways you can pull in the relevant reviews for you. You can either enter your business name right here and the address, or you can just use a Google Maps link if there's no physical address available. So in my particular case, I'm just going to go for Empire State Building, just like that, and then we'll click on search here, and then if it shows right here, then great. If not, then you can obviously use Google Maps here or any of the other methods that I showed you before. So click on this here as an example, give it a couple of seconds, and then the relevant reviews are going to be pulled in for this particular Google business. As you can see, this is fully interactive like I showed you before. In my case, AI Generate Summary here is disabled. You can enable it if you want. In my case, I'm not going to do that. At the bottom here, you also have filters and sorting. These will basically allow you to customize how and which reviews you want displayed first. So for example, in terms of sorting here, I want random reviews to be displayed, not the most recent ones. And then in terms of filters here, I want the rating at least to be 5 stars. Obviously, you can go ahead and change that all the way to 2 stars here or any rating. Then if you go down a bit more, you can exclude certain reviews by adding filters here, or you can include reviews that talk about specific topics like food, for example, or pricing, or whatever it might be. This is all keyword based as well, so keep that in mind. Then in terms of design, on the left hand side here, you will see layout, header, review, style, and settings. These are all the different customizations that you can take advantage of to further customize your reviews template. So for example here, in terms of layout, I want to change mine from carousel here to a grid. That way I will be able to display more reviews in a very nice and grid format, as you can see right here. Then I can obviously click on load more here and display even more reviews. In terms of header here, you can change the overall layout of how the reviews are displayed. In my case, I quite like this one here. Then review, you can change the review style. As you can see, quite a few different options to choose from, and then the reviews source style as well. In my case, I'll go for this one right here. I'm not going to go for every single customization that you can take advantage of, because there's a lot of different things that you can change here. So yeah, I'll leave this up to you to explore. And once you're ready with customizing your Google Reviews template widget, go ahead and click on Add to Website for Free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. Once you've done that, your Google Reviews widget will be saved up, and then you'll be taken to this page, which is where we now need to go ahead and publish the widget. So in the top right corner of the screen, you will see a green publish button. It will be right here where I'm pointing. In my case, it's grayed out because my widget is already published, but in your case, it won't be. So go ahead, click on publish, and then you'll be taken to the plans page. this is what the plans page looks like, and what you need to do here is choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we are creating through Elfsight, we can actually go for this plan right here, which is completely free. As you can see, it supports up to one widget for up to 200 views. So if you're just getting started, this might be the perfect plan for you. However, if you want to unlock more functionalities, if you want to display your Google reviews to more than 200 people, or if you want to obviously add more than one widget from Elfsight on your GoDaddy website, then you can obviously go for one of the premium plans right here. So you can see they have quite a few different options they can choose from. And if you decide to pay annually, you also get to save quite a bit of money as well, which is pretty nice. But yeah, go ahead, select the plan that works best for you, and then you will automatically be taken to the page where you can copy the code for your widget. It will look just like this. So from here, click on copy code, and then let's head over to GoDaddy so we can start integrating it. Now, it's all pretty simple. All you have to do is go to your GoDaddy editor. As you can see, that's where I'm right now. I'm on the home page, and then what you want to do is go to the section where you want to add your Google reviews. In my case, I want them right underneath this main image right here. So I'm going to click on the plus button here to add a new section. And then this new section, I want to search for HTML right here, and then simply go ahead and click on add right here. This is going to add the HTML box to your GoDaddy website. And then right underneath here, you will see custom code. If you don't see that, just click on this section here for the HTML, and then you'll see it. So custom code, paste the code that we just copied previously from Elfsight. So here is my website published and in preview mode. So if I just go down a bit, you can see my Google reviews right here. The widget looks super nice and clean. It's fully functional. As you can see, I can click here to leave a review. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add Google reviews to your GoDaddy website. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.